Clear the mobs around us. Keep stabilizing, keep stabilizing, keep stabilizing. Wait for another engage here. You're waiting 10 seconds here. Stabilizing Qs and Ws and the guys in front of us if you see some. Keep stabilizing, keep stabilizing.
Pag dumami na doon ka mag-put.
We're gonna practice and engage again in the gate in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. What's it? On the gate, on the gate, on the gate, on the gate. You're coming back now, 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 come back immediately. Heal my guys in our front here, heal my guys in our front. Tanks stay behind and peel, inner shearings. Silence is on fucking. There we go, baby. Come back, guys, come back, guys, come back, guys, come back, guys. Remember, tanks, don't forget to stay behind and peel, yeah? Stabilizing here, stabilizing here. Heal up, heal up, heal up, heal up. Q's and W sealers, Q's and W sealers, Q's and W sealers. Keep stabilizing, keep stabilizing, keep stabilizing. Okay, be ready to engage West again on the gate in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. West again now, West now, West now. Look at this one guy right here. Look at this one guy right here. Kill him if you can, kill him if you can, kill him if you can. Riser, riser, riser. Now come back, come back. You're coming back, you're coming back. Come back, come back, come back, come back. Keep coming back, Easter. Spread out, as we're coming back. Spread out, as we're coming back. There's a lot of space for you to spread out. There's fucking north, there's east, there's south. Spread out. Come, Easter, and stabilize. Keep stabilizing.
There's a full group marked lock behind the tunnel, on the tunnel.
On the tunnel?
One T-blob. After, yung bago yung...
It might be suspect.
Okay.
Okay, stabilizing, stabilizing, stabilizing. Okay, ready, engage West again in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. West now, West now, West now, West on the guard zone. Now come back, you're coming back immediately, yeah? Come back immediately, come back immediately, come back immediately. Come back immediately, yes ago. Come back immediately, yes ago. Come east, come east, come east, spread out. North and south.
Was bad, yeah?
North and south, north and south. Do not back up here. Guys, listen to me. Do not back up in a fucking line. You go north and south, but you go east, yeah? Keep stabilizing here, keep stabilizing here. Stabilizing is come north again. Come north, swipe north right now. Swipe north right now. Swipe north, north, come north, come north. Okay, we're engaging west. Engaging west. Come north, everyone. Engaging west in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. West now, west now, west now, west now, west now, west. Now, come back east now. You're coming back east now. Come back east immediately. 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 Yo, my guys in the front. Orb. I need your Qs. I need orbs. Don't just use your reset sealers. Orbs, heals, Qs, and shit like that. Come back east. Come back east. Come back east. We got a blob north of us. Someone. Where's the mark lock? Where's the mark lock we were saying? Where? Come east, sir. Come east, sir. Come east, sir. Come east, sir. I'm not gonna move here until we get confirmation. Where's that marked up block?
Sneak, hello?
Sneak, you good?
Yeah. On the tunnel, no.
Did you check what field?
No, I haven't checked. I just ran through,
Are they T1 block?
Yeah, it's a T1 block.
Comes out there. Can someone ping us on the Discord? If you have a Discord.
It's on the, Ronald Sink. On the Ronald Sink now.
Okay.
Near the tunnel.
Ready west on the gate in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. West now, west now, west now, west now. West. Just a shallow engage, yeah. Just a shallow engage. Not too deep, not too deep. Come southeast here, come southeast here, come southeast fast. Southeast fast. Defense is in the front, defense is in the front. I need heals in the front here. I need heals on Maka. I need some Maka and Abulet. Come back southeast. Someone heal on Baga coming back. Oh god damn, bro, you're too deep, bro. Come southeast, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast, come southeast. You're just giving a hand, bro, you're not penetrating. God damn, stabilizing. Okay. We're ready to engage us again in about a couple seconds here. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Now, West again, baby. Look at that guy on the fucking man. Look at that guy on the fucking ox. Kill him. Now come back. I need more heals in the front. Here. Come back east. If you see a clapper, please tell me. Come back east, sir. Come east now. Stay on. We're gonna blob north of us. Someone check the blob out. Come east. Someone's dying southeast. Come east, sir. Come east. Up the hill northeast. Someone check southeast and north. Up the hill northeast. You're stabilizing. Someone check southeast and northwest. Anyone? Hello?
Still promoting up.
Someone check southeast. Someone died southeast. There's another blob north of us. Stabilize here on top of this show. Do not move any further. Just stabilize southwest. You guys are moving too far back. Stabilize southwest here. No one.
Southeast is clear. Random.
Come southwest. Come southwest. Come back then. Come southwest. Come southwest. Move towards the gate west side. Move towards the gate west side. Move towards the gate. Move towards the gate. Huddle up now, huddle up now. You're huddling up. Okay, be ready to engage west about a couple seconds here. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. West now, west on the gate again. Now you're coming back immediately, yeah? You're coming back immediately. Do not overstay. Come back immediately, boys. Come back immediately. Q's and W's in the front. Stabilize. Someone heal Snake Master here. He got pulled. Someone heal. Okay, come east. Come south now. You're heading south. Head south. You're stabilizing.
Princess not ready yet.
Yeah, okay, for sure. Stabilize out. Facing west. Okay, be ready to engage west. Okay, 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. West now on the gate. Kill this one guy right here. Now come back immediately. Someone check that northwest side where the fucking most smart people are concentrated at. Someone heal Bowie. Find Bowie and heal him. Q's and W's in front, please. Q's and W's. Stabilize. You're stabilizing now. Do they have Glappers in the northwest side? Come north.
Who's checking northwest?
No, like on the ping, right here on the gate, right here. Okay, actually we're engaging in that position that I just pinged earlier, yeah? Right here. Okay, we're ready to engage west deep in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. West deep west on the phone. What? Now come back immediately. Spread out. Excuse and W's. Spread out. Keep spreading out. Come east, sir. Come stabilizing. Now you're coming south. Come south now. Did we get pinged?
Can someone vote for the ping fight? Need one more emoji.
Come south, guys. South. Facing west. South. Come south. Facing west. Ready to engage west again. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. West now. You're coming back immediately, yeah? Come back. Come southeast now. Do not back up in a line. There's north and south. Spread out.
Isaiah.
Come east. Who died? What the fuck? How'd you die, nigga?
One shot. May one shot crossbow sila.
Okay, come north. Do not stand in that shit. Come north. Ready to engage west. In about a couple seconds here, yeah? In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. West now. If you can look north of the west side, come back. Do not get one shot crossbow. They have one shot crossbow. Come east, guys. We need help in east side here. Hello. Someone heal me, motherfuckers. Heal me. Shit. Okay, pretty. Okay, guys. Come east. Let's draw them closer. Come east. They have an energy chamber now.
10 seconds on the reset.
Come east, northeast. Okay, we're gonna try to shuffle. We're gonna try shuffle throughout the chokes now. Come east. Go northeast. Up the hill northeast. Stabilize.
Dumpster. Hello? EDC?
Where's Dumpster? Bang, where he is. Come on.
No. It's not flagged up.
Okay, just come northeast then. Come northeast and stabilize on top of the hill. Come northeast and stabilize. Stabilizing northeast. Stabilize. Yo, kill this guy if you can. His shield is about to run out. Just kill him. Come northeast now, Further northeast, rail them in like fish bait. Come northeast, keep coming northeast. Keep coming northeast, all the way north, through this tiny little choke. North. Okay, you're moving southwest now. Move southwest now. Down the whole west, about a couple seconds here. Just keep moving. Okay, ready down, so you're south, in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Down the whole, south angle. Now come back immediately, yeah? Come back immediately, boys. Come back immediately. Weeping in the back. Come northeast. Keep coming northeast. You guys are fucking looting too much, bro. Come northeast. Come northeast, come northeast. Do not say, heal my guys in the front here, heal my guys in the front. Why are you bothering looting a fucking T4 guy? Come northeast here, come northeast here, come northeast, come northeast, come northeast, come northeast. Woods up, overcharge. Come northeast, come northeast, come northeast. Come northeast, come northeast, come north, come north, come north, come north, come north, come north. We're not gonna die through this fucking choke right here. Come north, 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 come north. Stabilizer, stabilizer. Come north, keep coming north, keep north, come north. Now come east, come east, come here, come east here, come east here. Do you have a lot of range DPS?
Yes.
Come east, then stabilize, stabilize. Come east, come south, come west. Now up this hill, come west, up this hill. We're ready to engage west. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. West, bomb that shit, bomb that shit, nigga, bomb that shit. Now come back east, come back east, come back east, come back east.
Nice hurricane, Chonga.
Do not get caught, do not get caught, do not go. They have an energy shaper. Come east, come east, come east, come east, come further east. You guys are looting. Come east, come east, come east, come east, come east. Up the hill again. Come north, no, come north, come north, come north, come north, come north. Wait 10 seconds here for an engage. Come north, swipe west, swipe west, swipe west, swipe west, swipe west, swipe west. We're ready. 5 seconds, yeah. We're ready. Keep walking west, keep walking west.
You split it off.
You're walking southwards. You're walking southwards. You're walking southwards. In 5, ready, set, ready. Huddle up. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Southwest through the cancer choke. Through the cancer choke. Through the cancer choke. Through the cancer choke. You're backing up immediately, yeah. Back up, back the fuck up. Do not even stay. Back up. Heels in the front. Every heels in the front.
Stop
Energy shaper. Energy shaper.
Yeah, come north, guys. Come north. The wave we came through. Come north. Stay by. Come northeast. Swipe east. Yeah, no problem. Come east now. Swiping east. Swipe east. What? Come southwest. You see this fucking choke? Come southwest now. Come southwest up in 5. What are you bombing west? In 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Once again. The cancer choke. Okay, we didn't get it one. Come back. Not too far. Yeah, not too far. Come back east, please. Come back east. Come back northeast. Let me see if we can walk through. Okay, come east here. We're gonna shop it around through these fucking chokes, yeah? Come east, come southeast. Walk southeast. Walk south. Walk west now. Walk west. I want my tanks watching the north side, yeah? Walk west now. Ready? West in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. West. Hit west, baby. Hit west. Come back now. Watch the west side. Yo, fucking come east. Come east.
Shivers, ano?
Heal the guys in the front. Come east. Swipe through east there. Come northeast.
That's fine.
Yeah, it's a bad spot. No, come northeast. That's my bad. Bro. Come northeast. Okay, west again. The way we came, yeah. Watch out for that weeping. Yo, heal that guy. Someone heal you girls. Okay, come west. What do you engage west in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Hit west. Deeper than that. They're loading. Well, come back north. They're not taking the beat anymore. Come northeast. We're gonna roll them in closer, yeah? We're gonna go to the second choke. Okay, watch the northeast side. Watch the east side. Tanks, I want you watching my east side. The west side. Come northwest.
They're southeast.
Yeah. Come northwest. How far in the southeast can you ping? Okay, come northwest. I see a couple in the west as well. Okay, I want my tanks stop. I want some of my tanks, some of my growth stop and engage us. We're gonna face out this here. Stabilize. Are they nearby? Okay, stabilize. Okay, come northwest down the choke. Come northwest down the choke.
Nice, good job.
Nice. Come northwest. Down the hill. Now you stabilize here. I need someone getting caught. Okay, ready southeast. Walk southeast now. In 5, ready, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Southeast. Hit them southeast hard, baby. Hit them southeast hard. Defense is in this one. Pushing. Come northwest now. Nice. Nobody's getting low. Good job, boys. Yo, interrupt this fucking ironclad. Come northwest. And heals in front. Heal for my guys in front. Keep on northwest. Come northeast now. We're gonna run them closer, yeah? Come northeast. Nobody tie on me, baby. Come northeast. Be ready to engage south in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Turning south. south. Look at this fucking choke. Turn. Now come back.
Don't loot, please. Don't loot. Don't die there.
Come northeast. You're gonna die there if you loot. Come northeast. Stabilize. Keep coming east, sir. Keep coming east. Come east. You're fine, baby. You're fine. Come east. Down the choke. Yo, my guys at the front. Do not leave this guys in the front. Do not leave the guys in the front. Coming east. Use the nubbies of these fuckers in the back of us. Heal up. Use the nubbies eaters. Come southeast. I see a lot of clappers and come southeast. Okay, we're ready to bomb west of us. Come northeast. Come east. We're gonna bomb the clappers west of us, yeah? Be ready. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Bomb west. Hit the clappers in the west side. Oh my god, baby. Hit that. Come back now. You're coming back. Watch the northwest tanks. My tanks.
When you tank, careful.
Come northeast.
Nice.
Swipe east.
Swipe east.
Keep swiping east. Come east. Yo, reflect that motherfucker. Reflect him. Come east. Okay. You ready west in 5. Ready in 4. Ready in 3. Ready in 2. In 1. West. Hit south. South angle. Kill this motherfucker. Come east. Coming east. Kill my guys in front. Don't leave your guys apart. Yeah, come east.
Going to clap.
Yeah. Try to interrupt him if you can. No, you're looking west. You're holding west side. Hold west angle. Some of my tank. I want one grove watching my south, yeah? Come west. Stabilize here. Q's and W's, please. Q's and W's. Okay, I see them clumping up to the southwest side. Be ready, you see that shit, right? Be ready in 5, be ready in 4, be ready in 3, in 2, in 1, southwest. Hit that deep southwest. Now come back. Watch north. Tanks, my tanks, watch north. Come east. Swipe trees. Nobody die on me, baby. Reflect that motherfucker. Reflect him. Come east. Stabilize. Come east. Keep stabilizing. Keep real them closer east. We're gonna make them think we're running. Coming east. We're gonna make them think we're backing, yeah? Keep coming east. Heal the guys. Keep coming east, guys. Okay, be ready to turn. Walk west out in 5. Ready in 4. Stabilize. I don't see them clumping up. Okay. Cue the guys in front of us. Cue the guys inside of us. Okay, come east. You're coming east. You're heading east.
Flanking. One group. Flanking on the south.
Come east. Yeah, I see them. Come east. Stabilize. Be ready to turn west here. You're walking west now. Walk. Just walk. Be ready to turn west. I see them. You see that shit? In west in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. What's up? Hit west. Defense is on the way.
Nice claps.
Come east. Watch my north tanks. Come east now. Come north. Down the hill. North, down the hill. We got a lot of clappers. Heal my guys in the front. Keep healing. Come north. Keep coming.
When you lay down.
North, not east. North. We're ready to turn west in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Hit west. Deeper than that. Deeper. I want you deeper. No, come back north. Heal my guys in the front. Come back north. Keep coming north. Heal my guys in the front. Do not leave your guys in the front to die. Come back north. Now come east. Heal my guys. I need just one reset in the front. Please give me a fucking reset in the front. Come east.
Only a few healers left in the second part. Yeah, I did.
Yeah, come east. Be ready to turn south. Be ready. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Turn. Deeper south. You're coming back now. Come back immediately. Come back. Come northeast. Heal all that. Heal. Come northeast. Keep coming northeast, baby. Heal out of that. Nice heals. Nice fucking reset. Come east. Reflect that motherfucker. Come east. 5 seconds. Great 5 seconds. Someone heal about door. Q about door. Come east. That's north. Come east. Be ready to turn west here. Okay, let's stabilize. Turning west. Okay, heal up. We're gonna turn west. Walk west now. Walk. Just walk. Ready to turn west in 5, in 4, in 3, 2, 1. West. Hit west for now. My tanks, watch south. Come east. Come back east. You guys are fucking clumping up. too much. Come east. Summon Heal Baldur. Heal Baldur in the front. Find Baldur. Look at Baldur. Okay, Heal Baldur. Look at Baldur. Come south to us. Q's and W's, please. Q's and W's. Hold your ground. Keep holding your ground. Turning west. Deep in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. West. Hit west. Look at that motherfucking clown. Come back now. Come back. You're coming back east. Fuck the loot. Come back east. You're stabilizing. Stabilize. Come back east. Here comes the energy shaper. Reflect him. What's up, bitch? What's up, motherfucker? Come back east. Stabilize. Come south. Southwest down the hill. Okay, stabilizer. We're gonna make them think we're backing, yeah? Stabilizer. Is there a way up here? No, okay, come south. Shoot the bridge. Come south. Okay, look northwest, yeah? Look northwest. Walk northwest now. The way we came. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Now. Okay, come back. Not allowed. Come back south. Watch and engage. He comes and engage. Come back south. Okay, coming south. Do not leave my guys in the front. Please. Come back out. Come southeast now. Come southeast. Through the bridge. Come southeast. Through the bridge. Reflect that motherfucker. Reflect this guy. Look at this guy. Reflect him. Come southeast hard. Southeast hard. Everyone southeast. No exceptions. Come southeast. Everyone southeast. Stabilize. Come southeast. Holding northwest. You hold this shit. Okay, be ready to turn. Walk northwest now. Walk northwest. You just walking. Walk. Up to the hill north. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Hit north. Now come back southeast. Watch. Here comes the clappers. Come south. Do not exhaust all your heals. Yeah. Come east. Come southeast. Oh my guys in front there. Come southeast. Someone help potato. Come back east. Reflect him. Nice. He's fucking dead. He died because of that shit. Nice reflect. Come southeast. Keep coming southeast. What the fuck is this shit? We got reinforcements. Come southeast here. Keep coming southeast. Walk southwest now. Tanks hold my northwest. Hold the bridge. Walk west. Everyone else walk west. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, 1. You'll kill this fucking Mist Piercer in the west side. Kill him. What's up, bitch? Come back east. Hold my northwest tanks. Come back east. Wait for another rotation here. Come back east. You're facing the bridge now. Come back east. I made my tanks watching my west. Is there a lot of clappers in the west side?
Yeah,
We can clap on the bridge.
they're mounted though.
Okay, stay by. Come southeast. We don't have cooldowns yet. Wait, where's the bridge? They're not moving up. Come southeast further south. I got a plan. I got a big fucking plan. Come east. Come southeast. Keep moving. Do not stop moving. Yeah. Come southeast.
Southwest.
Yeah, I see them. Come northeast now. Come northeast up this hill. Everyone else. Come northeast up this hill. Come west. You're coming west. Come west hard. West. I need my tank stopping the south approach. Yeah. Come west. Down this hill now. Down. Okay, this is the trap. My bad, bro. Come here. Come northeast. Northwest.
So many guns.
Northwest.
Northeast someone, northeast.
Yeah, I see. Northwest. Keep coming west. Keep coming west. Do not stop. Just do not stop. Come west. Down this hill again. The way we came. Come west. We're ready to turn east here. We got a couple seconds here. Come west. West. Okay. Are they drawing in? Are they coming closer? They're still there. Come east. Stabilize. Hold this ground. Q's and W's, please.
Down, face down.
Oh my, okay, come east.
Deep east.
Okay, ready east in 5, ready east in 4, ready east in 3, ready east in 2, in 1. Now. Come back west, 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 come back west. Use your potions or you're gonna die. Come back west. Nighttime out of this. Nighttime out of this. Come northwest, come northwest, come northwest. Northwest, push out, push through northwest, push through northwest, push through northwest, push through northwest, northwest, follow the ground, 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 ground. Heal. We need heals. Come west, heal now, we're all gonna die here. Heal now. Okay, we're ready to turn east in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Turn east with everything you have. Turn east with everything you have right now. Come west immediately. Use the potions. Come west. Northwest now. North. Heal. Keep healing. Do not stop healing. Come north to the show. Northwest to the show. Keep healing. Northwest to the show right now. Be ready to turn south. Back up. Wait for this energy shaper to be done. Right? Okay, turning south in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Turn right now. Turn deeper. Come northwest now. Oh my god, I'm getting clapped. Come northwest. Keep coming northwest. I don't think we can turn it. Come northwest. Keep coming northwest. North. More north. Someone new.
You're missing neithers already, yeah.
Yeah, be ready. Sprinting northeast in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Sprint and mount. Every man for himself, motherfuckers. Yo, I'm gonna leave a Judy for you guys right here. Oh shit. Why you guys still flagging here, bro? What the fuck?
Bye-bye. Lagi na lang nakakatakas si Amon.
I didn't even use my fucking cleric helper. Good content. I recorded the whole fight, so if you need to watch that shit, you can go do that.